guys, welcome to the Silver Report. Here we are, it's Friday, March 10th, 2017. We have some big news. The Bitcoin ETF has been rejected again after 3 years of trying. The Bitcoin ETF has been rejected, so expect some turbulence in the Bitcoin market. It had definitely priced in some sort of rally that would be taking place. So a lot of people, there's been a lot of attention drawn to it recently, a lot of money that has shifted over to Bitcoin, and it has just suffered a defeat. We also saw some chaos in emerging market stocks. We see that Snap's IPO has dropped dramatically. The dollar index has fallen as reporting of payrolls has come out. So that is part of the reason why we saw a gold rally here at the end of the day. So we have gold trading up around $1,204 right now. So we also have seen that the VIX, it is closed at the highest weekly close in 2017 for the VIX. And that is very commonly the market fear. It's the volatility index. So when there's fear that there's going to be upheaval in the markets, normally the VIX is triggering off. So it is definitely pricing in some turmoil coming out. So what we also saw, financials had the worst week in 2 months. JP Morgan is down 2.5% from their highs from the Trump speech. We know that the banks have gotten a lot. So this Snap IPO, it is really failing, and it's amazing the power of propaganda, the way that they can hype people up into this market, and it's happening on every single place. It's like they direct people where to put their money. They've been talking about it for weeks prior to its release. Day one it comes out, has a spectacular, dramatic rise. People nearly doubled it, opened at 17, was closed off by the end of the day above $24. And now we see that it continues to drop. Of course, it's another story of a company that is posting negative profits, that Snapchat was unable to capitalize on the same kind of advertising that YouTube, Google, and Facebook were able to utilize and take advantage of. And yet they were somehow able to hype up a rally into it, get as many people to put their money into it, have a lot of excitement, and then boom, it falls out. So earnings report is looking like it is very bad. So we saw some moves going on in Bitcoin already. We see some moves to the up in gold. We see the dollar coming down. Something is very broken right now. And the risk is mounting. And so with all the turmoil, this market looks like it's poised. As we see the VIX, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of volatility. It's poised for some volatility. And while we have this opportunity, the reason that the dollar index had dropped, we also saw that oil has been plunging this week. And it suffered one of its worst weeks of the year. So we see oil going down, but on the end of all that, on the back of all that, as we saw the dollar begin to drop, we saw a short rally among silver price and gold price toward the end of the day. All right. So thank you guys for joining me here on the Silver Report. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos, get the word out. I thank you guys all so much for dropping by. And as always, stay safe.